Vitamins are tiny organic compounds, molecules built from carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. They are not a fuel source. They don't provide energy the way carbohydrates or fats do. They are more like keys, tiny molecular tools that unlock or enable specific biological processes your body cannot run without. They exist in food in trace amounts, invisible to the eye, but their absence is anything but invisible. What makes vitamins unusual is that almost every other living organism on Earth can manufacture them internally. Plants synthesize vitamins during photosynthesis. Most animals produce vitamin C in their livers. Bacteria produce vitamin K. Humans, at some point in our evolutionary history, lost the ability to produce most of them on our own, possibly because our diets were varied enough that we didn't need to. The result is that we are almost uniquely dependent on obtaining them from outside our own bodies through food or supplements. Those external vitamins come in two fundamentally different types. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, and K, dissolve in fat, not water. Water-soluble vitamins, vitamin C, and the 8B vitamins dissolve in water. That distinction sounds minor, but it determines everything about how each type behaves inside the body. Once swallowed, fat-soluble vitamins are absorbed through the intestinal wall alongside dietary fats, enter the lymphatic system, and are transported to the liver and fatty tissues where they are stored. Your body draws on those reserves when dietary intake drops, which means you don't need to consume them every single day, but it also means they can accumulate to toxic levels if consumed in excess. Water-soluble vitamins take a different path. They are absorbed directly into the bloodstream from the intestine, travel to wherever they are needed, and whatever isn't used is filtered out by the kidneys and excreted in urine within hours. They don't accumulate, which means they are far harder to overdose on, but must be replenished regularly. Once in the body, each vitamin has a specific job. Vitamin A, found in liver and carrots, maintains vision in low light and keeps skin and immune tissues intact. Vitamin D, which your skin produces when exposed to sunlight and is also found in fatty fish like salmon, regulates calcium absorption, which is what keeps bones dense and prevents them from softening. Vitamin E, found in nuts and seeds, acts as an antioxidant, protecting cell membranes from damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Vitamin K, found in leafy greens like spinach and kale, activates the proteins that allow blood to clot. Without it, a small cut would not stop bleeding. The B vitamins collectively, found across eggs, meat, whole grains and legumes, handle energy metabolism, gene repair, nerve function, hormone production, and the creation of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Vitamin C, found in citrus fruits and bell peppers, builds and repairs collagen, the structural protein that holds skin, blood vessels and connective tissue together, and also supports immune function and iron absorption. The consequences of not getting enough are severe and specific. Sailors on long voyages around the 17th century, who went months without fresh fruit or vegetables, developed scurvy, a condition caused purely by vitamin C deficiency in which collagen breaks down, causing wounds to reopen, teeth to loosen, and internal bleeding to spread, eventually killing the patient. Vitamin D deficiency causes rickets in children, where bones fail to harden properly and bend under the body's weight. B12 deficiency causes the myelin sheath around nerves to deteriorate, producing numbness, memory problems, and eventually irreversible neurological damage. Going the other direction causes different problems. Because fat-soluble vitamins accumulate in tissue, excessive intake of vitamin A causes headaches, liver damage, and in pregnant women can cause severe problems. Vitamin D in excess drives calcium to dangerous levels in the blood, damaging the kidneys. Water-soluble vitamins are far more forgiving. Excess B and C are simply excreted. But even here, very high doses over extended periods can cause problems. The body wants a precise amount of each, not more, not less. Click the video on your screen right now, and I'll explain another everyday mystery you've wondered about your whole life, but never thought to look up.